All right, let's dive right in. Today, we're taking a detailed look at Anjalai Ammal Mahalingam Engineering College. You might know it as AAMEC, located in Koyilvenni. Now, for all of you getting ready for TNA counseling, the code you'll need for this college is 3803. Keep that handy.
You know, to really get a feel for a college, you have to look at its mission. And this quote, it says it all. Their goal is to mold the rural youth to practice engineering with confidence, courage, competence, and integrity. That tells you right away that their focus is on empowering students, especially from rural backgrounds. This has been their core idea from day one.
So, first things first, let's break down the college's identity and its fundamental character.
Okay, here's the quick rundown. AAMEC is a self-financing engineering college, and it's been around for a while, since 1995. It's affiliated with Anna University in Chennai. When it comes to admissions, it's through TNEA, with that familiar 65-35 split between the government quota and the management quota.
Next up, let's talk about two things that are absolutely crucial for establishing trust: official accreditations and the story of how the college began.
So in its first go-around with the National Assessment and Accreditation Council, that's NAAC, the college has secured a Grade B.
And here's the important part. This accreditation is valid all the way until March 2027. Now, for parents and students planning for 2026 admissions, this is a big deal. It confirms that there's a current, valid quality stamp on the entire institution.
And it doesn't stop there. 3 of their most important engineering programs have also earned that NBA accreditation. We're talking about electronics and communication, information technology, and mechanical engineering. All 3 are accredited until June 2027. This is a really strong signal about the quality of these specific departments, assuring you that they meet tough national standards.
So who's behind the college? It was founded by the Masdor Welfare Trust. This was spearheaded by the late Thru M. Namasaviam. His work as a respected leader in the Southern Railway Masdor Union really tells you the story. It directly shaped the college's mission to serve the community by opening up doors to education.
Okay, let's shift gears and look at the academic side of things. What engineering streams can you actually study here?
Here's a nice, clean breakdown of the BE programs on offer. As you can see, you've got a good mix of the classic branches like chemical, civil, and mechanical, right alongside the ones that are in super high demand, like computer science, ECE, and IT. The seat numbers also give you a pretty good idea of the batch sizes you can expect in each department.
Now, looking to the future, the college is planning to bring in a brand new program in artificial intelligence and data science. But, and this is important, it's currently listed as pending approval. So if you're thinking about this for TNA 2026, you absolutely must check and verify its final approval status before you go into counseling.
And now for the big question, the one on every single parent and student's mind. What happens after the 4 years are up? Let's talk about placements.
Okay, let's get straight to the number. The college has reported a placement rate of 72%.
So where does that number come from? Well, this figure is from the data the college itself submitted to TNEA for its most recent batch. This is great because it gives us a standardized benchmark, making it easier to compare apples to apples.
These placements don't just happen in a vacuum. They're backed by real industry connections. Here are just some of the companies that the college partners with for both internships and final job placements. You've got names like Virum Technologies, VVDN, and Sysarc Informatics.
Academics are one thing, but the campus itself is where a student will spend the next 4 years of their life. So let's see what the facilities and campus life are like.
The campus is pretty spacious, spread out over 65 acres. And they've got the essentials covered right there on campus for convenience. Things like a medical center, a bank with an ATM, a post office, and of course, a cafeteria.
Now, for students who will be staying on campus, this is key. The college has separate hostel facilities for both boys and girls, and it's also confirmed that the mess serves vegetarian food, which is good to know.
What about getting to and from campus? Well, the college runs its own bus service that covers a bunch of different routes for day scholars. And for anyone traveling by train, the Koyilvenni railway station is super close, just 1 kilometer away. That's really convenient.
So, when you put it all together, what really makes this institution stand out? Let's wrap this up by looking at some of their key achievements.
It's clear they have a pretty consistent history of academic success. For instance, the IT department won the IEEE Student Project of the Year award. They consistently have students who become Anna University rank holders, and their faculty have even achieved 100% results in their subjects. Oh, and get this, The MCA department produced an incredible 54 university rank holders in just a 3-year span. That's a serious accomplishment.
Just so we're clear, all the information we've shared today comes from the college's official website and government portals as of the time we put this together. As always, we strongly suggest you double-check any key details for yourself before making that final decision.
Explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.